In this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and change your signature in Gmail. Now, I'll come here and click on Gmail to open up my Gmail. And then what I'll do is click on the settings cog right here. So I'm going to click on this one and this will open up my settings for my Gmail. I'll click on see all settings. And once this loads up, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. All right, so it opened up my Gmail settings. So scroll down here under general, right? Scroll down here, you see signature. I'll click on create a new signature. First, I'll show you how to create a signature, and then I'll show you how to change, like switch different signatures. So I'll do legend 1, which is the name of my first signature. And we'll keep that right there. You can go ahead and write something here. Maybe this is a test. Okay, you can make it bold, italic. You can go ahead and customize this according to your needs. I'll create a new one right now. We'll do legend 2. And then we'll do, this is a sample. Okay, now we have created 2 different, signatures. You can come here and choose a default one. So for new emails, you can go ahead and choose legend 1 or legend 2. You can come and switch right here anytime. Or you can do no signature. So when I go ahead and compose one, right? Let's say I come here to compose something. And then all I need to do is come here and click on this pen icon, right? I can insert a signature. So I click on manage signatures right here and choose whichever signature I want to go ahead and insert, okay? Make sure you come down here and click on save changes. Okay, let's see, it's saving. Come here, click on insert signature. As you can see, I have 2 signatures here. So I'll come back and compose a new one. And let's do signature. This is test. I can go ahead and switch. Really easy and simple.